Hello and welcome to PicoCTF. In this Capture the Flag series for beginners, we will take on random challenges from page 7. And our first challenge is runme.py. Category is General Skills for 100 points and the description says run the runme.py to get the flag. And the hint says if you have Python on your computer, download the script and run it, otherwise use wget command in the web shell. Find time to copy the link and fire up the web shell. Type wget and paste the link. Now ls-lath to get more information. Now we have to look for runme.py. Time to clear the screen and run python 3 runme.py. And here's the flag. Copy the flag and get back to our challenge page. Paste the flag and click on submit. And there you go. You earned 100 points. Now time to move on to our next challenge, buffer overflow. Category is binary exploitation for 100 points and the description says smash the stack. Let's start off simple. Can you overflow the correct buffer? Copy the given link. You can check the hints as well. Let's view the source. Click to open in a new tab. Save the file and open it in a browser. Looking for some interesting stuff out here, and it seems that it takes 16 or more bytes to leak the flag. Let's get back to our challenge page. Copy the given link. Fire up web shell and paste the link. Hit enter. Type more than 16 characters of your own choice. Enter, and here's the flag. Time to copy the flag. Get back to our challenge page and paste the flag. Click on submit and it's done. You earned 100 points. Let's go for another challenge. It's CVE-xxx. Again, category is binary exploitation for 100 points. Quite a long description. Enter the CV of the vulnerability as the flag with correct flag format. The CV we are looking for is the first RCE. If I am not mistaken, this challenge is also there in PicoCTF 2022. Hint says we are not looking for the local spooler vulnerability in 2021. First, type PicoCTF in submit section. CTF must be in capital letters and the curly brackets. Let's copy this content to find first RCE. Open a new tab and paste. click on search, and here we have new remote code execution. Copy and get back to our challenge page. Paste the copied RC, close the bracket, and click on submit. Oops, the flag is incorrect. Let's check the copied content. Pretty okay. Get back to our challenge page. Oh, we need to remove the space between the characters. Click on submit and it's done. You earned 100 points. PicoCTF provides pretty cool controlled teaching environment for beginners. Let's move on to our next challenge, and our next challenge is enhance. Category is forensics for 100 points, and the description says download the image file and find the flag. Time to download the file. Save and open it in a browser. Time to view source code. Looking for curly brackets or flag kind of stuff. And here we have copy first part of the flag and get back to our challenge page. Type PicoCTF, curly brackets, and paste the content. Remove space between the characters. Again, get back to our source code, copy the remaining part, back to challenge page, paste, and remove the space. Close the bracket, click on submit, and you earned 100 points. Our last challenge from page 7 is file run 1. Category is reverse engineering for 100 points, and the description says a program has been provided to you. What happens if you try to run it on the command line? Hence, you make it executable chmod +x run. This challenge is pretty simple and easy. Copy the given link and open the web shell. wget and paste the link. Enter ls. Now time to make it executable with chmod +x run. Type ./run and here's the flag. Copy the flag and get back to our challenge page. Time to paste the flag. Click on submit and it's done. In mere 10 minutes of time, we solved 5 challenges and earned 500 points. If you like to solve the challenges of PicoCTF in easiest and fastest way, do visit our playlist Capture the Flag series for beginners. Thanks for watching.